Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading data from the Salesforce CRM system to the system you need via Webhook. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Salesforce CRM to other systems. For example, you can send this data via Webhook to the system you need, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Salesforce CRM data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get New Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter the login and password from your Salesforce CRM account. Next, you should receive a verification code by mail. Enter it in this field. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your leads in Salesforce CRM. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Salesforce CRM data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose Webhook as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Send Data. At this stage, you need to connect your system via Webhook to the ApiX-Drive system. Webhook is a universal way to transfer data. In order to connect, in this window you need to specify the URL for sending data, that is, the link to which ApiX-Drive will send data from Salesforce CRM. In order to get this link, you need to check with the support of the system to which you want to transfer data, whether it is possible to receive data via Webhook and how exactly this can be configured. For example, we will connect the Chorizoid system via Webhook. In order to do this, we need to go to this system and create a new process. Give your process a name and click OK. After the process is created, click Start. In the window that appears, click Copy Webhook via JSON and paste the copied webhook into the ApiX-Drive system. How exactly to get a link to a webhook can be clarified in the support of the system to which you will send data. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you must select the type of data sending, PostJSON. Next, you need to create parameters that consist of the name of the variable and the value. In the name field, you need to write the name of the variable. What it should be you can also check in the support of the system to which you want to transfer data via Webhook. I will use the name of the variables that are used in the Chorizoid system. In the value field, you need to select a variable from Salesforce CRM that will match this value. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. In order for another set of parameters to appear, click Add. When all the necessary names and values are filled, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to the system you need via Webhook when creating a new deal. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data via Webhook. After successful sending, go to the system to which you transferred data via Webhook and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.